Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things that are making your home look dated and how to update them. Unfortunately, interior design trends come and go, and if you have any of these things left behind in your home, it's definitely time to upgrade them and modernize your space. So I hope this video gives you some ideas on how you can update your home. If you enjoy watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm Kristen, interior designer and home decor expert. I'm sharing all of my designer tips and tricks with you to help transform your house into the home of your dreams through DIY projects, affordable home decor, styling tips, and home organization. If I can do it, you can too. Let's make our homes look and feel their best. Let's start out with something that I'm pretty sure a lot of us have, and that's clutter. Clutter instantly ages the look of your home. And I'm not talking about messiness and things being left out. I'm talking about years of layered clutter piled onto shelves and corners and just stuff everywhere. Clutter does not give a refreshed look in your home. It definitely just weighs it down and it makes it look like you've been living there for years and years and not really getting rid of anything. So if you want to do one thing today to really modernize the look of your home, refresh it, I would say purge items in your home, donate as much as you can, and only have what you really need. If you're not really into letting go of things, consider just closed storage and designated storage rooms in your home. Maybe that's your garage, your basement, a storage closet. Keep a lot of your stuff put away tidy in there. So sometimes the easiest and free update you can make is just tidying up your home, purging items, donating things, and clearing out your home. All right, now onto something that I think is instantly aging your home right when you walk through the door, and that's your paint color. Your paint color can definitely be dating your home if you are kind of falling behind on the color trends. If your home is still stuck in that warm beige palette, if your home's still stuck in the cool gray tones, or if you have the walls with super high saturation, your home is looking dated. No matter what new furniture you get or little home upgrades you make around your space, if you still have those paint colors around your home is definitely looking about 10, 15 years old at this point. Just by painting your walls more of a crisp, clean white, your home will definitely look a lot more up to date. That way you're not ripping out flooring, you're not doing huge kitchen renovations. All you really need sometimes is a good new paint color and you're good to go. I think choosing a beautiful white is super safe, it's on trend, it makes your home brighter, happier, and it's definitely easier to decorate with. This is a very affordable, easy thing that you can do that will make such a huge difference right when you walk through the door. Now, if you're not too into painting your home white, there are little adjustments that you can make to your paint color just to modernize it that much more. You have those kind of golden, warm beige walls, you can kind of bring it down a notch and pick more of a creamy color. If you love your gray walls, again, you can tone it down a little bit, maybe pick more of a grayish color that brings in the neutrals, but also maintains that gray color. And if you like those dark, vibrant colors, I would modernize it a little bit more by doing a moody, kind of darker, muted color palette. All right, now the one furniture piece that's definitely dating the look of your home is your media unit. If you have a giant media unit that circles your TV, there's two towers on the side, it connects at the top, and it's just a huge piece of furniture, it's definitely dating the look of your home. At one point in time, we had VHSs and DVDs, all the cable boxes, a huge TV, and we somehow needed this giant media unit. Nowadays, we are definitely ditching that huge piece of furniture and streamlining everything and really minimizing the amount of furniture in a space. I grew up with a giant media unit, and one thing we did to modernize it just a little bit was take down the two towers, take down the attaching top, and just use that bottom piece that comes with the media unit. If you're shopping for a new piece altogether, I would actually get a long credenza or a sideboard. You can get a little bit more creative with your design this way and implement a really beautiful piece into your space. So there's a lot that can be done to your space once the media unit is gone, but it's absolutely the one thing that's dating your space. All right, now into a little flooring detail that's making your home look dated. If you have tile flooring with large space grout that's getting dirty and looking darker, it's definitely dating the look of your home. This little detail will instantly put your home back 20, 30 years, and it's not the modern way of tiling anymore. Now, I'm not saying go rip up your tile because you have that wide grout. Sometimes your tile is in good condition, the color is great, you still really love that, but the grout's the problem. So you can then use things like grout pens that refinish and recolor the grout lines around your tile. I would try finding a color that's very similar to your tile color so you get a little bit more of a seamless open look to your flooring. Now, this is definitely still just a temporary upgrade, so that's something that you can do to start. You can also full out paint your tile now. There are some really amazing paints out there that allow you to go right over your tile and recolor your floor. You can also install vinyl plank flooring over top of your tile. This is just a floating floor that goes right over top of your existing tile. So definitely try those little affordable solutions before you make some major changes. But if you have that wide grout around your home, maybe in your kitchen, your hallway, or even throughout your entire home, it's definitely dating the look of your space. All right, now into something that I'm very passionate about. I made an entire video about this process because it makes such a big difference if you make this little change. If you have that honey orange oak wood spindle staircase, it's dating the look of your home and bringing your home back again another 30 years. If you're making updates around your home, getting new furniture, new paint color, and you haven't addressed your staircase yet, no matter what else you do, your home will still look dated. So I suggest refinishing that spindle staircase before you do a big demo and remodel it all together. I refinished my parents' entire staircase for under $100 just by using some paint and stain. If you do have it in the budget to make a major change to your home, I would consider upgrading the railing, upgrading the staircase, and it will add so much more value to your home and make it look so much more modern. Now let's get into a little carpeting concern. If you have carpeting in your bathroom, that definitely needs to go, and I don't think it's very practical. So rip that up and put some beautiful tile in there and it will give you an instant upgrade even if you don't change anything else. If you also have carpeting that is becoming very flat and you're kind of losing that underpad quality, your home is going to look and feel very dated. When you step on carpeting and it feels flat and hard, you know it's definitely time to go. Carpet is something that's super easy to rip out. You can also replace it with new carpeting. You can actually save money on your carpeting and choose a little bit more of an affordable option, but spend the money on a quality underpad. Underpad makes all the difference and it's definitely money well spent. All right, now into a little bathroom detail that definitely needs to change. If you have shell-shaped pieces in your bathroom, like your toilet seat or your sink, they are dating your space drastically. So going with a little bit more of a modernized round, square, or rectangular sink that will give you a drastic upgrade. It's going to make it look nicer and it's going to make it a lot easier to clean. And replacing that shell-shaped toilet seat is super easy. That's something that you can go pick up at Home Depot, do that little swap, and you have a quickly updated toilet. If you're living in a space and it's been that way for years and years, you're probably used to it and probably don't even think twice. But trust me, if you make those little upgrades, change out those shell-shaped pieces, your bathroom will look a million times more modern. If you're not looking to do any kind of demo and construction around your home, but you want to do one little thing to upgrade it, you can change the doorknobs around your home and do all matching doorknobs with a modern design. Doorknobs always get a ton of wear and tear and they do show age quite quickly. So if you have typical round doorknobs, I would suggest switching to a lever doorknob. These are a lot more ergonomic. They're easier to open when you have your hands full and they give off a more modernized look. Who else remembers the glass block trend? This was super big in the 80s and 90s, and now we're left with glass blocks everywhere. If you walk into a home that's been fully renovated and you still see those glass blocks, that right there will just tell you how old that home is. So if you're renovating a space and you have those glass bricks in your home and you're deciding if you should just work around them or remove them altogether, I definitely think you should remove them and just start fresh with a new window. If removing the glass bricks is not an option, because I know that that would be very pricey, you can hang sheer curtains in front of it. This will allow the light to come through, but it will kind of blur the look of your glass brick wall. And lastly, if you have multiple flooring changes throughout your entire main floor of your house, it's probably making it look dated. If you go from tile to one wood to another wood tone to carpet, that's just not a very modern, up-to-date look, and it's not really something that's done so much anymore. Of course, this is something that is a big upgrade to make, but if you can, I would suggest choosing one flooring throughout your entire main floor and modernize your space that way. One more affordable way of doing this is using that floating vinyl flooring. This can go right over top of your tile and your existing wood floor. It's not going to go over top of your carpet, but you can rip the carpet out, transition that vinyl plank flooring into that space as well. That way you can upgrade the look of your home without demoing the entire thing and ripping up all that existing flooring. Vinyl plank flooring is such a great solution. It comes in so many beautiful colors. It always comes in a wide plank, and it's on the more affordable side when it comes to flooring. It's water resistant, and it's not super sensitive when it comes to cleaning and the temperature of your home. Making that one change will make all the difference and totally modernize your space. All right, so that's it for my 10 things that are making your home look dated and how to update them. There's definitely a million other reasons why your home could be looking dated. So if you're looking for even more ideas and solutions, definitely check out the first video I made on this topic, linked down below in the description box. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these things do you still have in your home, and if you have any plan to upgrade them. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!